Voice of my people, where culture speaks, truth echoes, and hope rises.
Igbo Queen, my name is Emmanuel Anya. This is the voice of my people, and today we are having a special guest, a philanthropist, someone who is involved in helping people generally, even those who are not from her tribe. She's here in River State. She's been doing this over time. I'd like our guest to introduce herself, and we'll take it up from there. You're welcome, ma'am.
Oh, thank you so much. I am so happy to be here. I'm glad. My name is Chief Princess Mrs. Kelechi Ogbonna. I'm from Abia State, East Alangwa South Local Government Area. I live here in Port Harcourt. I'm a graduate of University of Calabar. Honestly, I'm so happy, so glad to be with you. Thank you.
You're welcome, ma'am. So glad to have you. I can remember you're Ada Akikuchonwa and you're also Ada Abia. Wonderful, wonderful. I want to know all this, these titles, they came about the same year, and it shows a lot about your person. Well, can you just tell us about you? What exactly do you do? Why are you getting all these amazing titles?
Oh, thank you. I think what people do announce them. I came into Akekuchonwa shortly, and I was crowned Ada Akekuchonwa. Also in Abia community, I was also crowned Ada Abia. I don't know, but all I know is that whatever you're doing, when you're doing good, you're doing well, people will always remember you. In as much as I know that it is not easy. Doing good is not easy. It's just like being a goalkeeper, As many goals as you have tried to save, people will always remember the ones you missed. But in my case, I think I've been the lucky person because of what I do. I carry people along. I'm the kind of person that like to carry people along. I don't like moving forward alone. When I move, I like to move with people, most especially those who are willing and ready to move with me.
Wow, that's amazing. So can you tell us who is Chief Mrs. Kelechi Ogbonna?
Chief Mrs. Kelechi Ogbonna is that lucky woman that has been into so many things, I started up my life after graduation. I worked with one company, the company I was working with. I was being paid nothing, but I didn't give up. I continued from there until one lucky day, I met one of our sons. He's from Abia State also, who asked me, would you like to work with me in my hospital? I was like, wow, yeah, I will. That's where I'm supposed to be, not really where I'm working today. He said, okay, get your CV, which I did. They called me for an interview. I went and I did well. They asked me to resume work. I started in that hospital. Honestly, if I'm there, if I'm at work, if any patient is coming and they have not seen me, I don't think they have started. Why? Probably because of the way I handle them, the way I treat them, I'm always very careful with people. I don't like hurting people. That's my person. I like to be careful with people so that I don't like closing a door that I know that I might still want to go through. So from there, I started trying to reason how I can open up certain business, I opened the first pharmacy I opened at Rumomasi. That one is, we were doing well. Because of the road construction, we now relocated to Elimbu. Elimbu, somewhere close to Tank. I don't know if you know that side. So that one, as that one was going on, we extended it to Eneka, That one was going, we extended to Rukwoku Road, And all those places, we still have people we employed just to help them. no matter the little we're paying them, or they are happy. They are happy. So the business we're doing is going. The little salary that is coming, we're using it to augment, and also helping people. That's
That's amazing. And
yeah.
now, I know you to be a selfless person. Your time in Akikuchonwa, I can tell how many times you had to meet needs of people who you're not even related to. Because they cried, you responded. Because you saw them, even people. I remember one occasion where a young lady had some issues. You responded, you called, you even went to visit her. These are touching things. These are things that you see somebody who is selfless do. I want to know what inspires you. What makes you want to always look out for a way to meet people's needs?
Okay. I am this kind of person that I don't really like to hear people cry. It doesn't really give me joy to see a fellow human being crying, complaining of whatever. The little I can to make the person happy, I will do it. Like when we were in Akekuchawa, just as you rightly said, there were so many of them, like the one you said. If not that we got there on that fateful day, the lady was ready to kill herself. When I came in, I reassured her that everything was going to be well. I gave her that assurance, not only just mentioning it to her that everything was going to be well, I was ready to carry her burden because it is in me. It is in me. It is something that runs in my blood to help people. Do you understand? With the little I have, I'm always ready to help. So when I gave her that assurance, I believe you me, the assurance, I fulfilled it.
Oh.
Yes, I fulfilled it. Yes. I promised her that we're going to secure a job for her. I also promised her that we're going to give her an apartment where she will be staying.
Wow.
I also promised her that what she will eat is not going to be a problem for her.
Wow.
And all those things, by the special grace of God, they were all achieved.
Wow.
Yeah.
And then I saw the way you led. We had different local government chapters, and the way you mobilized Isiala South. It's amazing, and everybody will respond as you call. They will all respond. There was something, I don't know how you were doing it, that made them feel they could just trust you.
Yes. This kind of thing is when you tell people that something is white, when they look at it, at the end of the day, it is white. People will trust you. When you do business with people, you tell them this business is coming up this way. When it comes, you are going to take this person will take this. And at the end of the day, it will go the way you have said it. People will trust you. Be a straightforward human being. I think they have seen it in me. They have their trust on me. If I tell them I'll be there, I'll be there. If I tell them I'm not going to be there, they won't see me there. So when we led them, initially I was their chairperson, not until the adhabia of a position came and I handed over to someone else. When I called them, in less than 24 hours, I was able to pull over 100 people from Isiala Ngwasau local government area. Created a platform. I told them where we were heading to, and they believed me. And I think they were not disappointed. Yes.
Now, I want to know that we still move into Abia community and you continue this work. Now, I want to find out personally, I know you have an orphanage, you have a foundation, rather, and you do a lot of philanthropic activities. I would like to know some of the things you do personally to help release or reduce the stress from people.
Yes, I think I will start from where I'm coming from. If you go to my own village, I'm not talking of where I'm married to, my own village.
Where's your own village?
Me, I'm from Umezu, in Isiala Ngwasau South local government area of Abia State. My father His Royal Highness Eze Nwoha. I think I took it from my dad. This is something that runs in our lineage, is in our blood to help. My father has done so many things in our village. And anytime he calls on any of us, the children, we're 9 and I'm the last.
Wow.
Anytime he calls any of us, we'll be there. So I learned those things from him, my parents. I learned it from them, how to help, and do a lot of things. So coming from where I am coming, if you go to my village and ask them, the widows, they will tell you what I have been doing. It's not what I will just come out here to talk about it.
You're not a politician, right?
I'm not a politician.
And you're just doing it
without
any gain.
Without any gain. Without any gain. All I know is that their prayers have been helping me. Yes, their prayers, because whatever good thing you do for somebody, the person might not be the one to reward you.
Yeah.
But when the person say 1 or 2 things on your head, believe me, it will come to pass. So the little I used to do for them, their prayers have been sustaining me and my family. So that is one of the things that gave me the morale to continue doing good, because I've always believed that it pays doing good.
Wow.
Yes. So from there, we've helped in tying roads in my village.
Wow.
Yes.
Up to that?
Yes, up to that. With the help of one of my elder brother, High Chief Celestine Nwoha. That one has been a wonderful person. He has been there for me. Anytime I call on him, he will be there. Back to where I got married to, we have assisted them in building a secondary school there, and also helping in the church where we worship. I'm a Catholic. So whatever they are doing, I will make sure that my name will be written down there. I don't like taking last in any position.
That's amazing.
Yes.
That's amazing.
Yes.
Now, people have this say, as a woman, they probably will be expecting that they should be receiving from men or getting from men and all that. But with your story, it sounds you are rather the one giving.
I've never been a party to that. I believe that I can still do even better than what I'm expecting from somebody. I've always asked God for one thing, not to be on the receiving side, but rather that God should bless me so that I can bless others. I don't like receiving, rather I like giving. So that's why I always like to do things not minding what I'm going to receive. Not that when I see, I won't be glad. Are you getting me? So if I see also, there's no problem. But if I don't, I believe that I can do it. I can do it. With the help of God who strengthens me, I can do it. That's my belief.
That's amazing. Then yes. You said something about you're from a royal family, right?
Yes.
And I believe part of the culture and training must have been what have positioned you to do or to be who you are. I want you to speak to, we are here in a city, we are here in a city that is not just, it's not Igbo land, but it's, we're here. I want you to speak to Igbo daughters that are here in River State. Probably they're doing business. What's this Igbo spirit that has made you who you are? Is there something you can say to the Igbo young ladies out there that will make them become that kind of person who is a giver, who loves how to be a blessing to others?
Yes, I think what I would tell them is the notion of what I will get, they shouldn't bide with it. They should be focused. Let them know that on their own, they can make it and they can develop wherever they are. Do you understand? Wherever they found themselves, they should work hard on their own. Without, if the single ones, they should work harder Those that are married, they should also work very, very hard. They should not rely on anybody wherever they are. Here in Rivers State, some of them, you see them complaining there is no work, there is no this and that. I always tell them that there is always something to do. There is always something to do. Everything must not be white collar job. There are so many other things you can do. Do you understand me? So those are our daughters out there. I encourage them. If you're a graduate, there is no job for you. You can create something for yourself.
Yeah, that's amazing.
Yes.
Well, we're going to take a break now, and in a few minutes we'll come back.
Are you Igbo? Do you have a real story? One that can inspire generations? Do you want the world to know what you will do or what you are? Then the Voice of My People Global is your platform. We are the heartbeat of Igbo identity, where culture speaks, truth echoes, and hope rises. From entrepreneurs to artists, from culture lovers to change makers, we tell authentic Igbo stories loud and proud across Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and more. Don't just watch, be heard. Your voices matters. Your journey can inspire. Your roots are your power. Call us now or today on 0810-460-4455 or reach us on WhatsApp to begin your journey with us. The Voice of My People Global, celebrating Igbo excellence, sharing Igbo stories, uniting Igbo voices. Join the movement, be the voice.
Welcome back, and this is the Voice of My People. I still have our guest with us, and I believe she's going to be telling us some of the things she intends to do. I know you have programs, you have different activities you do to help Igbos here in River State, and not just Igbos, the general mankind that are here in River State. What are the programs you have that you like to share with us? Are the things you like to talk to us about?
Yes, one in my mind is how we can help our people to get what they are doing. It's very, very important. Recently, we are planning a program, and that program we are going to empower people. We're going to empower people. We're running it in churches, and we're now coming back to the community. Are you getting it? So in that program, the program has been designed. We shared ourselves into 3 groups. Some groups will be going around giving free medications. Yes, they will be going around giving free medications to people. Some people will go to visit the elderly people. We have a foundation where we take care of elderly here in River State. Yes. So, and also we are looking at organizing also a program where we can train people in skill acquisitions. Yes, this program is on the pipeline.
Wow, that's amazing. And I know you also you're aware of the Igbo community here in River State. Is there anything you like to advise, or because we are moving into a new era in the Igbo community, is there any advice, any suggestions you would like to make that you feel if we put together to attract more Igbos into the Igbo community?
Yes, in Igbo community, the advice I want to give us is, let us continue to speak in one voice. If we do so, we'll go higher. One voice in the sense that we shouldn't be selfish. Let us be that person that will always remember our brothers and sisters. It is not just enough to say that we are one family. Yes, a family is a union. A family is a blood. So in anything we're doing, let us take away selfishness outside it. Be focused and be ready to always stand on the truth and transparency.
That's amazing. That's very good. That's very so. You have any parting words, any advice you like to give to our daughters? I believe you can speak to our daughters generally. young girls who are coming up, either in their secondary school, in the university. I believe you're speaking now, the way you're saying, somebody can, and I say in Igbo, ile mmadụ gị ị ga-ama ebe onye ahụ si na-abịa. So proper upbringing, is there any word you like to?
Yes, for our daughters, a whole lot are happening. Somebody was sharing her story one day that she went out with somebody, and when they got there, the guy came and touched her on her face and said that she should go. She was like, you brought me to this kind of place, and I expected you to take advantage of me and probably give me money, and you just looked at me and asked me to go. What is wrong? The person said that what he wanted to take from her has already been taken. Are you getting it? So the lady now came back to me and was complaining to me and said, is there any medication that I can give to her to recover what she has lost? I said, whatever it is spiritually, you've lost it, you have lost it, unless by God's intervention. So my advice out there is that our young girls, they should be very, very careful. Very, very careful. We didn't grow up in that manner. Let them be focused in their academics. They should be focused. Leave phone. This phone has really caused more harm than good. You see some of our young girls, they are always pressing phone. They are no longer concentrating. They should be focused academically so that they can get it right. They should know the kind of people they move out with. There was a story I read, a story where somebody flogged a child and the child was bleeding. And at the end of the day, they discovered that the little baby had an implantation. What is the implantation for? The implantation is for her not to get pregnant at 15 years. This is terrible. This is unbelievable. Those children out there, please, they are our children. Parenting, as much as I know that I won't even say we have failed, but we can still do something. We can still do something on our children. We should put eyes on them because the rates our children are going, oh my God, I just pray that God will help us. Our children, I'm begging, I'm crying for our children, both our female child and our male children. They should be focused. They should leave so many things, immaterial things. Those things are not the main thing. If they focus on their education, if they're able to do well, they will get a good job. And the sky will even be their starting point. That's my advice. They should concentrate on their academics. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Viewers, thank you for taking out time to listen to this podcast. I want to appreciate our Adabia and Adaki Kuchonwa, Chief Mrs. Kelechi Ogbonna. We are so happy to have you. And we know this is not going to be the only time we're going to have you. We're going to invite you again. And thank you for spending time with us here. Viewers, we thank you so much for listening to this podcast, and we'll be with you again. God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Bye.
Culture is speaking. Truth is echoing. Hope is rising.